Easier 6 marks, higher and foundation. When expanding two single brackets, we multiply the term directly outside each single bracket by each term directly inside. So 3 times 2y will give us 6y, and 3 times negative 5 gives us negative 15. Expand my second single bracket and multiply the term directly outside my single bracket by each term directly inside. Or 7 times y will give us plus 7y, and 7 times 2 will give us plus 14. Collecting like terms, I know 6y, add another 7y, will simplify to give us 13y. Collecting my number terms, I know 14, subtract 15, gives us negative 1. Part B, factorise fully, 6x squared plus 15x. If you've got two terms when factorising, we always try single brackets. We want to factorise at the highest common factor from both terms. Starting with our numbers, here we've got 6 and 15. The largest number that divides into 6 and 15, in this case, is 3. Now looking at our letter terms, I've got x squared and I've got single x. Well, it must be common. The highest common factor in x squared and single x is actually single x. So the highest common factor of 6x squared and 15x is 3x. I now open my single bracket. What do I times 3x to get back to 6x squared? Well, 3 times what gives us 6? Well, 3 times 2 gives 6. What do I times x to get back to x squared? We're missing single x. Now, what do I times 3x to get back to 15x? I'm just missing plus 5. Part C, make g the subject of the formula. As I want to make g the subject, my first step is to locate the term that has g in it. In this case, it's a 3g. As I want to get g by itself, putting your finger over the term 3g, my first step is I need to eliminate the plus 11. Well, the opposite add 11 is to subtract 11 from both sides. On the left-hand side, I'm now going to have f subtract 11. On the right-hand side, I'm left with 3g. As I know plus 11, subtract 11 will cancel, doink. As I want to get g by itself, I know 3g in algebra means 3 multiplied by g. So the opposite of times by 3 is divide both sides of my equation by 3. On the right-hand side, I know 3 over 3 will cancel, doink, to leave us just with g. That's exactly what I want. So therefore, g is equal to f minus 11 all over 3.